Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming admin rights and a current backup of RAID settings and important files, because you will modify storage metadata. Next, identify the CID string, the RAID controller model, operating system, and the antivirus product to avoid conflicts. Once done, schedule a maintenance window and disconnect non-essential network interfaces to minimize risk. Then open the RAID management tool and the antivirus console simultaneously so you can observe logs. This alignment prevents surprise. You now pause real-time antivirus scanning to prevent the AV from locking RAID metadata while you operate. Record the exact settings so you can restore them later. Then use the RAID management utility to export the current configuration to a file, clear the CID entry safely, and reapply the updated config. This removes the conflicting identifier. Make sure to monitor system logs and smart/disk health indicators in real time, because these show if any drive needs attention as you commit the change. Finish by re-enabling antivirus and restoring the original scanning settings you saved earlier, so you regain full protection. Then run a full file system and RAID integrity check. Rebuild arrays if the tool recommends it, and confirm the CID no longer appears in management interfaces. If you encounter errors, check controller and OS logs for specific failure codes, and if necessary, revert to the exported config file you created at the start. This rollback minimizes downtime while you troubleshoot further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.